You searched how to buy shares of Lululemon Athletica Inc. Lululemon is an athletic apparel company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker LULU with a focus on performance and lifestyle products. This walkthrough is educational only and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LULU to locate Lululemon Athletica Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart for recent performance. Confirm the page clearly shows Lululemon Athletica Inc. and the NASDAQ ticker LULU before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order will be queued until it reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before finalizing. After the trade, your LULU position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.